How to fix Mac startup problems. Method 1. Run your Mac in its safe mode. Boot your Mac in so-called safe boot mode and then press and hold the shift key. See details at https://apple.co/1x4hkky. This allows you to run a check of your startup disk and repair any directory issues. Method 2. Step 1. Disconnect all the external devices on your Mac. Step 2. Run your Mac in its safe mode. Step 3. The disk utility. Or run the Disk Warrior utility. Step 4. Manually FSCK commands in single user mode. Here's how at http://bit.ly/2ek9d2e. How to repair disk and file system problems on your Mac. Step 5. Run the target disk mode. Here's how at http://bit.ly/2042t5m. How to use target disk mode to boot from another Mac's hard drive. Hint. Start up your own Mac while holding down the T button on the keyboard. Step 6. Try backing up your personal data. Here's how at https://apple.co/2glibfn. Reinstall your Mac system. Here's how at https://apple.co/1kcxwv. Step 5. Reset the prem and /or and RAM. See details at https://apple.co/1pmchz. Method 3. 1. Check out your power supplies and /or prem, or NVRAM, battery. Do not miss out on power connection, power cable, or adapter. 2. If you heard some noise, check out your power supply, hard drive, RAM, DIMM, and /or logic board. 3. Boot Mac from another drive. Here's how at http://bit.ly/2xf9od. How to choose a startup disk on your Mac to boot from USB. And https://apple.co/1aihnvp. How to select a different startup disk. 4. Perform a power cycle. 5. Check your displays, power supply, cables, compatibility, display extenders and switches, video cable. Try a different display, or a different adapter, i.e., DVI instead of VGA. Method 4. 1. Use your Mac Safe Boot option. 2. Reset your Mac's prem or NVRAM, parameter RAM. 3. Reset the SMC, System Management Controller, on your Mac. Here's how at https://apple.co/1nexqs. 4. Repair your Mac's hard drive. 5. Create a new admin ID. 6. Mac OS X Startup Keyboard Shortcuts. 7. Use OS X combo updates. Here's how at https://apple.co/206a3lr. Last but not least, see https://apple.co/2h5zybf about the screens you see when your Mac starts up for more troubleshooting tips and make a Genius Bar appointment. Here's how //bit.ly/20cwgil.